Welcome back to video 4 of PyGame Zero, where we are making a alien attack game. And in the previous video we got the rocket moving, or the ship moving left and right, and we could also use the space bar to fire the missile. What we want to do in this video is get the alien moving across the screen and get it to respond to being shot by the missile. So we are going to go back to our code. And what we're going to need to do is add a new function, and this function is going to be for the alien to move. So we're going to go define alien. In fact, we're going to call it move alien, and then we need to tell it what the name of the alien actor is, and we called it alien. Colons, new line. Okay, so in this one what we want to do is move the alien automatically. So we're going to go alien.right, which is going to move it to the right, and then we're going to go plus equals 1. So this is going to move the alien 1 each time it's updated. Okay, we then need to check that the alien is at the end of the screen, because obviously if the alien reaches the far right, we want it then to loop back round and to come back in on the left hand side. So for this one what we need to do is a simple if statement. So if alien dot left is greater than the width, okay, and the width obviously in this one is 1000. So if we get to 1000 and then we go 1001, then it checks that the left is greater than that, which it will be because it'll be negative. Then we want it to move back. So we're going to put alien dot right equals 0. And I should have written that in lowercase. So it's alien dot right equals 0, and that will move the alien back to the right hand side, and it will keep moving across. So let's have a quick look at that. Let's save. We're going to run it, so we're going to go to terminal, and if you remember we need to write sudo pgz run and then the name of the game. Press enter. Now at the moment the alien won't run because I haven't obviously added it to the update. There's a schoolboy error there, so let's close that. I need to scroll down to update, and I need to make sure that I add in the move underscore alien, which is the function I just made. Save, terminal window. Let's try again. Okay, so alien's moving fairly slowly, but that's fine, we can play around with that later. Just wait for the alien to get to the right hand side and it will pop back on the left. And what we're then going to do is add the alien and the collide, or combine the alien and the collide, so that we can fire the missile at it. Here it goes. Brilliant. So that's working. So back to our alien function, and we're going to make sure we're in line with the if statement. And here we're going to write collide equals, and now what we need to check for is the collide with the alien. So it's going to be rocket fire, because the rocket fire is the missile, dot collide RCT. Okay, collide interact with the alien. So what it's basically saying is collide is equal to the rocket fire, which is that actor here, the missile, and we're seeing if it's interacting with the alien. And if it is, then what we want to do is print collide. Okay, and that will tell us that the alien has been hit in the terminal. Okay, so last thing to do is to check that's in. Brilliant. Press save, back to the terminal, run it, and at the moment you'll see it says false because obviously we haven't hit it. Now if I fire now, it's not going to get it. So if I move here, and there is a bit of a lag because of the come on VNC and streaming this, but actually let's go back here. I'm going to go back to the middle, I'm going to wait for the alien to pop up. I'm going to press the space bar and fire the missile, and hopefully it hits the alien. It should say collide. Here we go. So fire, and it did say. If we scroll back up, you'll probably see somewhere, unless of course I missed it. Hit it. Okay, so that's your basic game working now. What we're going to do in video 5 is have a look at actually making some kind of change when the alien gets hit, and maybe changing the costume, and then producing additional aliens.